Hello friends, today we will see blend feature. Blend feature is normally used when we need to create a model that contain different transitional cross sections. Blend feature needs two or more sections to start with. Okay, so first of all go in shapes, go in blend feature, then go in sections. See section 1. So you need minimum two sections to work in the blend feature. Okay, so first of all section 1, it is undefined and sketch. So define the sketch, select a plane. So let's we have a model which has its cross section first of all as a rectangle. Let it be a start point, or I want to change the start point from there to here. So right click on that point and click on start point, so that will be the start point. Then okay. Now as I told that minimum two sections are needed, so there is a second section, but further in my model there is a circular section, so I want to draw a circular section. So at automatically they have given an offset dimension, okay, or offset distance from that point. As we have drawn the rectangle at this point and we have given an offset distance from this plane on which we have drawn the rectangle at some distance 133.61. You can take it any one, as I'm taking 140. So at an offset distance from 140 we can draw a diagram, or we can take reference. First of all we will see offset dimension. So sketch, I'm drawing a circle. Now in this feature, the it connects the points. So in rectangle, as we know that there are 4 points, so we need in circle 4 points to connect the 4 points respectively, and the connection of those 4 points depends on the start point. Okay, the connection will start from this point, then this one, clockwise, in a clockwise way it will start. So divide the circle in 4 parts by using divide. Change the start point to here, or else it will twist. This point will connect to this point. We don't need twisting, so change the start point to here by clicking right click on that point and take start point. Clicking on that, once more clicking on that, will make it align properly. So see, our blend feature is created. All the respective points are joined. If we took the start point this, let me see you. If I took the start point as this, then see the figure. It is crossed. This point is joined to this point. Okay. Now let's see another part of the blend feature. Go in blend once more. Then first of all draw a datum plane of this. I'm drawing at a random distance. So in first part we drawn the sketch 2 or section 2 by taking the offset dimension. Now we will take reference. So sketch 1 define on this plane. Let it be a rectangle. Okay. Then sketch 2. So select reference. You can take anything as a reference point, line, or a plane. I am taking a plane, so directly it has taken a point on the plane. Circle. You can use this feature to also remove material from any part. Our blend feature is ready. Thank you.